Instant Installment Loans, Part 1. How to get access to quick cash without paying a fortune. You know, what you don't know might hurt you. Sometimes it's important for you to just have a quick source of cash. But how do you get it without getting burned? You hear a lot about payday loans. They're easy, but there's a lot of bad press. If you get the wrong loan, you might be worse off than without it. What if there was a way to apply for small loans from real banks quickly and easily? And what if you got 3 months to pay it back? You'd get some peace of mind with a better alternative. Well, here's the problem with payday loans. First off, you write a check to the lender to get cash. They hold on to your check until the next payday. But they get the total value of what they gave you, plus interest and fees, and this is usually a very high amount of money. And then often with loan extensions, because that week or two wasn't enough, you pay more in fees than you actually borrowed. In this case, you might get stuck in a debt treadmill. Thankfully, there are alternatives. So what are the most common small loans? I already mentioned the payday loans. Those are quite popular. Of course, if you have a credit card, you can take a cash advance. This brings up another set of problems, though, with this idea. And you could apply for an installment loan at your local bank. This is probably the best idea if you've got time and good credit. But there's another option. You can find online lenders willing to work fast with reasonable prices. Well, that sounds great. Can you give me an example? Sure. Let me point out some benefits of going this direction. Instead of 14 days to pay, like a payday lender, you can get 3 months or more. Instead of using up all your available credit card limits and getting stuck in a high interest cycle, you get a new line at a fixed price. Instead of one local bank, there would be over 100 different banks searched for the best deal. In Part 2, you can get started quickly and easily. In Part 2, I'm going to reveal how you can get that instant installment loan easily with an online application. Even if you don't need the money right now, you can apply so that it's ready whenever you are. But if you do need the money now, you can have cash in an hour. Just click on the link below to move into Part 2 right now. To watch Part 2, click below. You'll find it below this video a link to instant-installment-loans.com/Part 2, or just type that into your browser and you'll go there right away. To get more information, continue on to Part 2, where you'll learn all about the loan options that I just talked about. See you on the other side.